All right, it is time for the Hope, Snow, and Lightning polls. The first thing I want to do is get the 5,000 paid because it's going to give me the 80 Mind Spheres and it'll give me the select ticket. The select ticket, I'll be able to choose from any of them. Don't choose Hope. The way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to go into the shop and purchase what my budget allows for once a month in the special shop. Is the $46.99. So I'm going to purchase that real fast and hold on. Okay, so I purchased this pack. That's what my budget allows for once a month. Like I said, 50 bucks. I purchased that one. That is going to almost get me there, or it got me there. All right, so I'm going to claim that. And I got the 80 Mind Spheres and the select ticket. Now, the Mind Spheres are going to be the thing that's going to be the greatest because Mind Spheres, all three of them have the same Mind Spheres. The problem is when you go to the Soul Metals and you select the Mind Spheres are only one. So they're going to go really fast. Usually, if it was one unit for about 1,500, I believe, of the metals will get you 200. But we have 3 units that we're going for. So Mind Spheres are going to be very, very crucial because once you hit the 10 per, it gets ridiculous. So we're going to do is we will address that in a minute. But we are going to look for the paid Visior. I have a lot of paid Visior. That's 3 months of buying that $46.99 package that I haven't spent anything on. Okay, so I'm going to screenshot real fast. This is the most Visior I have ever had. So this one here is going to give us 2 paid per step, but we're going to get 80 Mind Spheres. So that's going to be 320 plus the 80 I just bought will give me enough Mind Spheres to max out a unit at 120. Now I believe the drop rates are going to be the same for all of them. Ice, wind, earth, lightning. See, lightnings. So there is no up rate for any of the brand new units. So we're just going to have to get lucky. But we can get one of them at the end, and we'll just go to the step up after that once we finish this one. So let's go ahead and here we go. I know a lot of people are like, oh my God, you have 17,000 paid Viz. How did you get all that? I've been buying that $46.99 package for 3 months and not spending it. Okay, so here we go. Got shards at the top. No rainbow possibility. Okay, we got 2 units that could change. Not there. and not there. All right, so we're just going to click through. All the rest of it's pointless. That should be the mind spheres. That's the one drawback to this is it's not like you get a unit. Got some stars. Nothing spectacular on pull 1. How about pull 2? Consume Visior. All right, gold book. And it's a card. All right. Only cards that I'm really missing are the Brachiosaur and Sautelys card. Okay, so that's why the Mind Spheres are in slot 1. Because I got a rainbow at the top. I have a few cards that I'm still working on, but we'll see how that goes. There's the rainbow card. Phoenix already maxed. It's stars. And a rainbow sphere. It's all right. So we got one rainbow. All right. In my 80 spheres. Let's keep going. Man, this is like the most paid viz I've ever spent. A brown book. So it'll probably be the spheres. Yep. It's the spheres. It'll pretend. It'll go from blue to gold. It'll go rainbow when it goes up there. All right, so we got one gold card down there at 5 o'clock with a chance to change. No change at all. So this is just a burn it 2 paid viz for Mind Spheres. That's a bummer. Nothing there. All right, number 4. Only one rainbow. It's the shards again, so that means it doesn't really matter what's up on top. It's going to be the shards. Got 2 gold showing. See if we get any change from this one. Nope. Really hope I get a change from that gold one there. 2 o'clock. Nothing there. Man. All right, that's more Mind Spheres. That's pretty brutal. This step up is not being nice to me at all. $10K paid viz. Okay, that's to consume. Be a unit. Oh, it is a unit. All right, so that means the shards should be at 1 o'clock. Oh no, that's the guaranteed. Well, okay. So I got 2 golds at 1 and 2 o'clock that could change. Not that one. Not that one. Is it going to be snow or lightning? Love it. Final Fantasy 13. It is lightning. Nice. Okay, because I got lightning there. What that's going to mean is I'm going to do snow step up. Oh, sure. Ask me that I finally went through 10,000 paid viz and got 2 rainbows. Do you really want me to rate you? I'm not spending more money. I don't think so. Okay, so that means I have to go to Snow Step Up. Now, Snow Step Up is going to give me... It is going to give me the medals for the pity. some blossoms, some prisms. All right, let's go. See if I can get lucky again and pull it by step 2 or 3. Okay, silver book. Unit. Positive. No spin there. I don't believe you can get rainbow cards on the step up. I think you only can get gold ones. Change. My goodness gracious. Be snow. Yerma. Oh, talk about one of the most useless units. Eileen and Yerma. Those are the two. All right, but we got a rainbow. So really can't complain. Let's see how we do here. Brown book, never good. It has to be at least a gold. So that's what it says. All right, again. That would have been a good pull. The Thunder Kitty is definitely a good Esper. But for range units, change. Oh, right. 2 rainbows in a row. Okay. Snow. Farm. No. Not a lot of help. But the stars help. Rainbow Sphere helps. So, okay, how about the free one? See if we can get out of here in 3. 3 will be glorious. Silver. Unit's good. 2 chances for a unit. All right. We know that gold card's not going to change. Change it. Nope. Not a third time. 2 rainbow units out of 3 pulls. Actually isn't too horrible. But let's keep going. All right. We're going to go on to row 3. Silver. Okay, unit. Been lucky not to get the vision guard on that spot. Oh. Okay, so we only have the 1 unit at the top. Well, there's Bloody Boon again. Change it for me. Oh, Adelard. Not really helpful. Should get a blossom on this one. Silver. Should be. Okay, a unit. Well, bonuses, I keep getting units at the top one, and I'm not getting cards, but I keep getting the gold card somewhere, so I just got to click through this and hope that top one changes. No, that one didn't change either. Started out strong with 2 rainbow units. I haven't seen one since. My goodness. Gold and a unit. Spin. Wow. Anybody sensing deja vu? Reminds me of that scene from The Matrix. What do you mean deja vu? What did you see? I saw a black cat and it walked through. And I saw it. They walked through again. Man. This is pretty bad. That consume busy or just keep going off. Unit again. Can I get a spin to a rainbow? Oh, you're going to stay blue. This is going to be one of those random chimes where blue has the chance to change to a rainbow. Do you think it'll happen for us? I just don't know. Chocobo is good. Nope, went to gold. Wow, this is starting to hurt. All right. There's a gold book. Wow, I haven't seen a gold book in a while. All right, and it's a unit. All right. Oh, double rainbow. The top one's going to be a rainbow. Be snow. Be snow, next one. Be snow. Be snow. Yes. That's what we're talking about. Hit it at the very end. That means we can use the coins for shards. We hit snow. That's what we're talking about. All right. And that top one's still going to be a rainbow. Can we get a double snow? We're going to watch it change blue to rainbow. See, it does happen. Snow again. Oh, mirror. Oh. And there's my dog. Yep, she's got to bark at everything. Well, we're on step 9. So, no, we're not spending that. Fine. What does step 9 give us? Let's see if it's worth the 2K. Step 9 gives us 3 blossoms. I don't know. I think 3 blossoms is worth it. We're gonna do 3 blossoms and hope we get lucky. 3 blossoms for 2K. I believe in the shop it's a little cheaper, but we get units. Hopefully to get lucky. Come on. Oh, we got the 1 unit on top. Vision cards aren't gonna help us. But that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, that was bad. But we got the 3 blossoms. And we got more of the metals. So we got both units in 18K. Plus the 10K paid viz. Saved me 115. Alright, let's just do the free one. I'm going to keep pulling the free one. Usually I would save them. But I'm looking for Sottily and I'm looking for Detective Little Leela. Because if I get either one of those, then I can use the 2K paid for the Select UR unit. Oh, talk about an old unit. That was bad. But, you know, vision card, that's all right. We'll take it because I'm going to keep going because this is the one that I'm most interested in here. So I'll keep pulling. It's available for 13 days. We have 10 days of free pulls. So I'll keep doing the free pulls. Detective Little Leela, I already have 600 shards for her. And then Sottily, I have all of those tickets for the past 3 months. That'll give me 5 tickets per pull, which is, what do I have? What is it, 11 per month? So I have a lot that I can do for him too. And if I get him, then I can go on to the UR, get his card. So I'm going to, normally I would save them, but they're MRs, these are URs. So what we can do is we're going to go into here. We're going to claim all of those. And if we go into the Mog Shop, just my suggestion, if you're pulling for both like I am, you have 141. Don't do Hope. But because they're separate, so I gotta get the Snow. My suggestion is to get one of Snow or Lightning to 99 as fast as possible. Because if you can do that, then you start accumulating the Mind Spheres. So because I pulled Lightning and then went on the Hope or the Snow banner. Snow may be the best. Okay, so there's some free stuff there. Rank up a little bit, get some free stuff. This is the payback. Get 4,000 back. I would say that was pretty successful. So not bad. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Just let me know. As always, please look us up. My guild is always recruiting. Seventh Heaven. Here's our info. We're a very friendly guild with a great Discord. All members welcome, whether newbies, veterans, free to plays, paid players. Look us up. We have a great time. Have a great Discord. We'll talk to you guys all later. As always say it. Peace!